Welcome to Best Choice. The best floor molding and trim is probably one of the most impactful yet often overlooked elements in home design, capable of transforming a room's aesthetic from ordinary to extraordinary with its ability to conceal gaps, protect walls, and add a polished finish that ties your entire space together, making it a crucial component for any renovation or new build project aiming for a cohesive and professional look. Number 5. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500G. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste, your go-to solution for a sparkling clean home. This powerful formula tackles dirt and grime with ease. From kitchens and bathrooms to tiles and glass, it works wonders everywhere. Say goodbye to stubborn grease and stains. Its unique paste formula is designed to cut through tough grease and grime effortlessly. Achieve a brilliant shine on all your surfaces. You can trust it on a variety of surfaces including stainless steel, ovens, and sinks. It's the versatile cleaner you've been looking for. Experience the satisfaction of a truly clean home. This paste leaves everything looking and feeling brand new. Make your cleaning routine simpler and more effective with this essential product. It's the trusted choice for a spotless finish. What we like? This cleaner is incredibly versatile, tackling grease, grime, and tough stains across various surfaces. If you're looking for a single product to handle most of your household cleaning needs, from the kitchen to the bathroom, this is a fantastic choice. Its ability to clean multiple areas makes it a convenient and effective solution for busy households. What people say. The molding was easy to cut and install, making the project go smoothly. The color matched the existing trim perfectly, giving a seamless look to the room. It's flexible enough to conform to slightly uneven walls, which was a big plus. Number 4. GARTOL Miter Shears. Introducing the GARTOL Miter Shears, your new go-to tool for fast, clean cuts. It's perfect for a variety of home improvement projects. Easily achieve perfect miter joints with its adjustable fence, offering angles from 45 to 135 degrees. Say goodbye to bulky saws. Crafted with a premium SK5 high-carbon steel blade, this tool ensures exceptional sharpness and longevity. Plus, spare blades are included for continuous work. Its ergonomic, non-slip handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue. For easier cutting, position the material close to the pivot point. Ideal for cutting PVC, trim, and softwoods, this tool is a must-have for DIY enthusiasts. Please note, it's not designed for hardwood, metal, or stainless steel. This product comes with a satisfaction guarantee and includes extra spare blades. We are committed to ensuring you have a great experience. What we like? This tool offers precise, adjustable angle cuts for various trim and molding projects. If you're a DIY enthusiast or homeowner who needs to create perfect miter joints without a power saw, this is ideal. Its sharp blades and comfortable grip ensure clean cuts and ease of use, especially for PVC, quarter round, and softwoods. What people say. The molding was easy to cut and install, making the renovation process much smoother. The design of the trim perfectly complemented the room's aesthetic, adding a polished finish. Durable material that has held up well against daily wear and tear. Number 3. For flexible self-adhesive vinyl wall base molding trim. Introducing our premium vinyl wall base molding. It's crafted from high-quality vinyl, offering both flexibility and durability for long-lasting use. Installation is a breeze with its strong self-adhesive backing. Simply peel and stick for a secure fit, no tools or drilling needed. Measure, cut, and apply in minutes. For best results in cooler temperatures, a quick heat with a hairdryer ensures optimal adhesion. Perfect for protecting and decorating walls in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and even offices. Its versatility makes it ideal for any interior. Available in multiple colors, this trim not only enhances your decor but also safeguards your walls and floors from daily wear and tear. Measuring 4 inches wide and 20 feet long, its dimensions are designed to complement most interior spaces beautifully. What we like? This flexible, self-adhesive trim provides a simple and quick way to finish edges and protect walls. If you're looking for a no-fuss installation that doesn't require nails or screws, this is perfect for you. It's great for renters or anyone who wants a clean, finished look in living rooms, bedrooms, or hallways with minimal effort. What people say. The molding was easy to cut and install, fitting perfectly into the corners. The finish on the trim was smooth and consistent, requiring no additional sanding before painting. It provided a clean, professional look to the room, covering the gap between the wall and the floor effectively. Number 2. Flexible self-adhesive vinyl wall base molding trim. Introducing our premium vinyl wall base molding trim. It's designed for a seamless and elegant finish in any room. Crafted from high-quality vinyl, this trim is both flexible and durable, ensuring long-lasting beauty for your walls. Installation is a breeze with its strong self-adhesive backing. Simply peel, stick, and press firmly for a secure fit. Forget about screws and drilling. This trim offers a quick and clean installation process, saving you time and effort. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and even offices, it adds a decorative touch while protecting your walls. Available in multiple colors, it not only enhances your decor but also safeguards the base of your walls and floors. What we like. This trim offers a flexible and durable solution for wall base finishing with a convenient self-adhesive backing. If you prefer a clean, modern aesthetic and want a hassle-free installation process, this product is an excellent option. It's ideal for updating the look of any room, providing both protection and style without the need for complex tools. What people say. The molding was easy to cut and install, making the project go smoothly. It has a clean, modern look that really updated the room's appearance. The material is durable and holds paint well, providing a finished look. Number 1. InstaTrim Original Flexible Trim Applicator Tool. Introducing the InstaTrim Original Flexible Trim Applicator Tool. This reusable applicator is designed to help you easily install self-adhesive corner molding and peel and stick trim. Achieve a smooth, even finish every time. It saves you time and ensures a professional look for your DIY projects. Forget frustrating installations. Simply prep your surface, position the trim, and use the tool to press it down for a secure seal. Even if you're new to DIY, this tool makes application easy. It helps you apply the right amount of pressure for quick, consistent results. When used with the applicator, our trim strips adhere firmly to surfaces, creating durable, long-lasting finishes you can count on. Experience the quality of American manufacturing with this tool. It's designed for use with both 1/2-inch and 3/4-inch wide InstaTrim. What we like. This applicator tool is designed to make installing self-adhesive trim a breeze, ensuring a professional finish every time. If you're new to DIY projects or struggle with getting trim to lay flat and adhere properly, this tool is a game changer. It provides consistent pressure and guidance, making it easy to achieve high-quality results around corners and surfaces. What people say. The molding was easy to cut and install, making the project go smoothly. It has a clean, modern design that really updated the look of the room. The material is durable and holds paint well, providing a finished and professional appearance. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.